Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to dry flowers with silica gel, updated. Prepare flowers by trimming stems and removing excess foliage, then choose a shallow airtight container. Gently nestle blossoms into silica gel, covering them fully without compressing petals. Label container with date and flower type, store in a dry, cool place, and check after 2 to 7 days depending on bloom size. Start by preparing a clean workspace and gathering tools like tweezers and a soft brush. Place a base layer of silica gel in a container, then position each bloom carefully to preserve natural shape. Cover flowers with additional silica until petals are fully supported, then seal the container tightly. Check color and dryness after a few days and remove carefully using a brush to avoid damage. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for crisp sound while you craft, and it pairs nicely with relaxing playlists during drying sessions. I find it makes the process more enjoyable and hands-free. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Handle dried flowers gently and avoid compressing them during removal from silica gel. If petals feel damp after expected time, reseal and check every 24 hours until fully dry. Store finished arrangements away from direct sunlight and high humidity to preserve color and texture. Use a spray sealant lightly if you need extra protection for long-term displays or craft projects to reduce shedding and dust buildup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.